Can you spin? Oh, I think that means that's a yes. Okay. Hi, cast iron kiddos. I am the cast iron babe, Juliann, and are you guys ready to have some fun together today? And at the same time, we're gonna learn something that's gonna make the big people in your life really, really happy, okay? Your parents may say, hey, will you please set the table? Well, sometimes people don't know what that means to set the table. So I thought I would share with you one simple place setting, and you will know that for the rest of your life. You'll be able to teach your kids when you get older, and your parents are gonna be so happy. So let's get going, okay? First thing we're gonna do is we got our placemat down. And you may have a placemat, you may have a tablecloth, and you may have nothing, and that's okay too, right? So let's go ahead, we're gonna start with our plate. Plate just goes right in the center. Now here's the thing about when you do stuff like this. You always want to do the very best job possible from start to finish. So it's not just like I'm gonna throw it in the spot, it's I'm gonna set it right in the right spot, because anything worth doing is worth doing so well, okay? All right, so we've got our plate, it's right in the center there. Now, the next thing I'm gonna do is fold the napkin. It's just gonna fold the napkin right in half. And again, do it carefully. Take some time, put some love into it. And then you put that to the left of the plate. Then we're gonna have our kitchen utensils. I've got a fork, knife, and spoon. You may only need a fork and a knife for one meal, so just put out what you need. But if you're gonna put out all three, we will do this. We will start with our knife, goes on the right, and then the spoon goes on just the outside of that. And then our fork sets on our napkin, just like that. And our drinking glass goes off to the right, just like that. So it's really simple. I'll do it again, and I'll do it really, 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 really fast. So you can see what it's like when I do it really fast, okay? So first thing we're gonna do, plate, center, ooh, it looks good. Fold the napkin, there it is. We've got our knife, we've got our spoon, we've got our fork. That might have taken me 20 seconds. See how fast you can do it, and do a good job at it. So now, here's the thing. You gotta practice. So don't tell your parents that I said this, but one evening right before dinner, walk up to them and say, would you like me to set the table tonight? And just see what they do. You're gonna have to let me know what they say. I hope that we had a good time together today, and I hope that you will be my new friends and come back and visit me here. Congratulations on completing your very first cast iron kiddo short. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.